Hi, here is another question here. This is about compound interest there. So compound interest could be an exponential function and could be used in geometric sequence. So this is compounded annually, so it's like basic exponential function. So this lady or person have invested 8,000 minimum rate. Be careful with the per year, because if it's not compound by years, that will be different. So we need to know that the interest compound by year and then compounded yearly. So there's nothing to lose from there. Calculate the money left with after 15 years. So what I need to do is like the first term or the base times 1 plus 5% and then compound at 15 years. There's no brainer there. I know the what's that called? The formula booklet will give you 1 plus 5 over 100. So make sure if you use the 100 there, over 100 there, you have to omit the percent. Otherwise become something so much less than that. For me, I would prefer to use decimal because let me just write that. And then I will put it into decimal. And then we use our calculator there. So we could have the normal calculation. So 800, 1,000, careful with that. Yeah, Bonnie looks a bit careless on those. And then it says to be, when you read the question, it's like specially nearest to dollars. So all you need to do is round that up. So 4 doesn't go through, and this is the dollar sign. Just keep it a bit fancy there. All right, so this is the first part. After a period of time, they withdraw that much of money. So what you need to do is you need to find out how much it is. So B, you can do log with it, times 1.05 because I got it from the power. Oh no. Ayya. That's an error there. All right, remove it and we fix it. So this time the base times 1.05 and years, but then now we have $9,037.11. If you do it by hand, you can rearrange that. So we could have equals to over 8,000 because both are dollar signs, so I can omit that as well. And then I perform a log. You're more welcome to sketch it. So to do this, we just have our log. So we have the option, cal, and the next page you can find our log AB. Yeah. 937.11 over, I got another careless mistake there. Lucky I fixed it. So I could round it off, or 2.498 years. Or if you do it with graphs, there's another way we do it with graph. This is the question before. You can delete it or you can unselect it. So we could have, using the original formula, we have 8,000 times 1.05 to the power x. You can't see the answer because the domain should be small, but the range should be pretty big. So you have to fix the domain if you're using a graphing method. So we could have 0 to, I got 9,000 there, so I give it the 10. And then G-solve, xcal, because we're looking for x when y equals to 9037.11. Yep, this should give you the same answer there, if you could see it clearly. Or we could use a financial app to find it. For my student, you will learn it later when you get to it. So there are some information there for setup. A payment at the end date mode is by 365 days, and then annual period you can do it as half, and these are the graphs. So we could have, and we don't know, so we could leave it whatever it is, leave it as it is. And interest rate is 5% per year. So taking out $8,000 and no monthly payment. There's our future value. We have 90.337.11. Compounded payment per year, compound per year. And then we need to find n. So even there is a number there, we don't care. We just press n. Future taking away $8,000. Money gone out from me. So we should have the same answer here. However, this is per year. The question is asking for how many months. So we have to use this answer times 12. So we get to the month. Answer, Bonnie. So we could have 29.98 Given that it's a bank, we need some information on logic thinking there. If it's not up to the 29th month by closing by none, so you have to round it off. Therefore, it should be 30 months. Or it's round up to be 30 anyway. So this is how we gone through those. We need a bit different methods with the calculator, but you have to have a little bit of the sense that 29.9 months is not a full month, so they will not pay you any interest. So you need to have the 30th month. All right, so this is our exponential compound interest. Officially, we call it compound interest, but then we will revisit it in geometric sequence, series, and finance math. So until next question in the next video. See you later.